This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook golden curry. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need a package of golden curry roux, your choice of protein like chicken or beef, and hearty vegetables such as onions, carrots, and potatoes. Don't forget a tablespoon of cooking oil and approximately 2½ cups of water. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Next, we'll start the cooking process. In a large pot, heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil over medium heat. Add your protein and chopped vegetables, sautéing them until the onions become translucent and the protein is lightly browned. Then, pour in about 2½ cups of water, bring it to a boil, and reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Let it cook for approximately 15 minutes, allowing the ingredients to soften. This is a crucial step for perfect curry. Turn off the heat before adding the golden curry roux blocks to the pot. Stir continuously until the roux is completely dissolved and the sauce begins to thicken beautifully. If you find the curry is too thick for your liking, feel free to add a small amount of hot water, about 1/4 of a cup, to achieve your preferred consistency. This ensures a smooth and rich texture. Your golden curry is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it piping hot over a bed of fluffy steamed rice. For an extra touch, consider garnishing with some vibrant pickled ginger or a sprinkle of fresh, chopped green onions. This rich and comforting dish is perfect for a satisfying meal, bringing warmth and deliciousness to your table. It's a simple yet incredibly flavorful meal for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.